Hindi pala mahadali to guys, yung magsagwan-sagwa. Nakakapagod siya. Dito Bibo. My gosh. Magkakamasil tayo dito. Okay, super ang ganda talaga rito. Grabe ulo. Yung tubig, sobrang halos kita mo yung sea floor. Ayan o. Kita nyo ba guys? Grabe. Ang ganda. Ito na yung pinaka-the best talaga sa sa El Nido na to. Yung Big Lagoons, no? Grabe. Tumiga ka lang habang nagkakaya. Para hindi ka mapagod.
Pero, ang galing naman talaga na driver ko na to. Right. Guys, right lang. Left. Left. Paano eh? Pwede na itong bankero.
You make friends all along the way to break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice, help you find the wrong from the right. Even when you're not in their sight, you'll be alright. Just look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, just keep running until you discover it. Yeah, you'll be amazed at how far we can go. So what are we waiting for?
So yun guys, bumaba muna kami dito kasi napagod talaga kami magsaguan explore. Sobrang ang ganda dito, ang linaw ng water talaga. Although lahat naman na pinutan namin, sobrang linaw talaga ng water eh. So ay, andito lahat sila nagstay over para mag-pictorial o whatever. So